Hello everybody, hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day. Right, today I am going to cook a couple of rashers of thick cut back bacon, and also I've still got a couple of bits of black pudding, so I'm going to cook them as well. I'm going to have something a little bit different today, which I've not really had much of. I've still got a bit of fresh bread to use up, so the fresh bread is, someone's cut that better than me. So yeah, I've still got a bit of fresh bread to use up. I've got a couple of babybell. I've got some peri-peri mayo. I've got a tomato. I've got some cucumber. I've got some carrot. And I've got a bit of lettuce as well. I know, lettuce. So I'm going to try and make like some coleslaw to go in with me bacon and my black pudding and my peri-peri mayo. Right, I'm going to get a bit of bacon in there to start off with. Bit of black pudding in there. Do you know what? There you go, a bit of black pudding in there. Use that up, get that used. There we go. So we're just trying to heat the black pudding through, not overly cook it. Let the bacon do its thing. And in the meantime, he says, turn your speakers up a bit, mate. Keep it louder. I'll try and make this salad, coleslaw, you know, something like that. Anyway, if you've ever seen one of these before, I bought this the other day. It is one of them things for doing your vegetables, having an easy time with it without chopping your fingers off. So it's got a suction pad on the bottom of it, and all you do is you stick it on your countertop, push down on it, lock it in place, and yeah, you ain't pulling that off. And then you get your bit of carrot, cut it so it sort of goes in there. Put that bit on there, and then just turn the handle, and all your bits of carrot come out. Now you should be able to do it. I say maybe a babybell. Not tried before, but it'll either work or it won't. Yeah, sort of. There you go, got a bit of cheese, got a bit of carrot. So there you go, look at that. It's all a bit gooey. And all I'm going to do to that is add some of my peri-peri mayonnaise, a good old of it, give that a bit of a stir around. I probably could have made it a bit coarser, but you know. You know, bit of peri-peri spiciness in there. I've got some pepper somewhere. I'll get some pepper in it. Bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, a few chili flakes, bit of heat, and there you go. Right, back in the pan, we'll get this cooking. Don't mind if the black pudding crumbles a bit, because I was going to crumble it anyway, but cook it in a bit of bacon fat, that's all. Oh yeah. Cooking up lovely, that is. Right. Nearly about there, I think. So yeah, I bought this piece of what's it called? It's called a kerrygold. So it comes with different bits. So you've got one for slicing there. You could have sliced the cucumbers, to be fair. More of a sort of cheese grater. And there's another one somewhere. There should be about 4 of them. There you go, there's one of them as well. But yeah, easy salad, done in half the time. A couple of turns of the handle and it's done. Just wash it under water and clean it off. Bit of soapy water, I suppose. Right, let's get somewhere where you can see. Right, just turn that off, get off the heat. Just going to get a bit of this salady stuff on there. Have a bit of the good stuff in there. Bit of bacon. Just want to get a bit of that black pudding in there. Oh yeah. A bit of tomato in there as well. A bit of tomato. Didn't use any lettuce, did I? But never mind. Big old sandwich, that, isn't it? Probably toasted that bread up a little bit, made it a bit crisper or a bit thicker. There you go, a bit of a lighter. Ooh. There you go, bacon black pudding, carrot, cucumber. Yeah, I'm sure I put something else in there. Oh, Edam, not Edam. Babybell, that's what I put in there. Cucumber, carrot, and babybell, and some peri peri. Just to a bit of mayonnaise. Yeah, so it should be spicy, should be nice, a bit crisp from the bacon and the all of that. Something a little bit different for me anyway. Right. Should have probably cut a thicker crust on that, but there you go, it's in there. Yeah. It's like when you start chomping through your sandwich and you forget that you're actually recording something, so, and then you remember. That's definitely different for me. There's a lot of spice in there from the black pepper and from the chili flakes. Feel it. Heating up. Bacon's lovely, isn't it? Black pudding. Oh, need I say more? Give us a like if you liked it. If you thought it was, give us a one of them. I've got some other things to cook this week, so I guess I'll see you tomorrow. See you later, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.